I could use a donut about now. Oh. Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to talk about the disaster that was the unboxing that occurred a couple days ago. I had this great idea to put an unboxing or do an unboxing out of the back of my car. Thought, oh, this would be a great little studio. Unfortunately, it was terrible because there wasn't enough light. I devised a huge contraption to have all this light coming from the sun get filtered and go into the back of my car. This absolutely did not work. I guess that's why you try and do things, and then if they don't work, you make adjustments. So just like this rig, this is Mark III. Look, I got the bungee cord, so it should be kind of, balanced, but it's not. I can see the ball bouncing up and down. I hope you guys aren't getting sick from this. If you are, let me know in the comments. Ooh, there's a squirrel. Anyway, this is not a VR video, by the way. This is a regular 1080p video that I'm taping. Ooh, there we go. Hi, little squirrel. Anyway, so hope you guys are having a good day. So the unboxing did not go as well as I thought. I'm gonna start doing my own unboxings around 8 in the mornings on my patio. Should be plenty of light there. Using the same camera. This is 6 in the morning right now, so that's when I do these things. Anyway, so we'll be doing that, and then I'm also going to be doing the reviews on theirs on the same patio. So you'll get to see the unboxing on the patio, and you'll get to see the reviews if it's possible there. Like one of them is going to be an electric generator that goes in the river. That'll be done out near my property, and we'll see how that works out. So other channel updates. Well, I'll be doing these vlogs early in the morning because there's nobody out at this time. And if there are people out at this time, well, they're walking their dog. You can't. I wish this was in VR so you could see people walking their dogs, but there is a person walking their dog over there. Anyway, be doing that, and so just wanted to give you a short update on that. I'll also be trying to do some animation. I did animation in the 90s, my own little cartoon, back when South Park was coming out, and it was kind of fun. Actually, no, it wasn't. It was a lot of work, but it was fun putting everything together and then seeing the final product. It ended up being like a 6-minute video. Unfortunately, that video was done in the 90s, and that software, I don't even know if I still have it. It's not porting over to the new versions of the software, so I'll have to figure out how I'm going to actually get that in there, or have to redo everything. I have a very bad, low quality video of it, like 240p, What was that? Okay, that was strange. I think someone's trying to leave their house. All right, anyway, just want to give you a short update, and hope to see you guys in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.